Okay, so hope this finds everyone well this morning. I know I've been kind of missing in action, but I don't know if you notice I'm in a different vehicle. I've gone and got this van, Chrysler Town and Country, which has put me a little bit in debt. Not a lot compared to everybody else, but I have some kind of being in debt phobia. I don't know if there's a such thing, but if there is, I've got it. But anyway, right now, I'm on the way to an Uber inspection station where I don't know why this wouldn't pass, but I'll find out if there's anything wrong with it, I guess, which I don't know what it would be. But anyway, I'm going to start driving Uber. I'm going to give it a shot. I planned on doing that when I came back from Florida close to 5 months ago. I think I'm going to like the independence of it, to being able to schedule myself. If I get tired of doing it one day or mad at somebody, then I'll just turn the app off and I can go home. If I'm having a good day, then I can stay out there. If somebody wants to go do something, then I can go do it. So I'm going to give that a shot, and I'm going to take you along through these different steps. Now, I don't think I'm going to record the guy inspecting it or anything like that, but what I had to do was go online and sign up for this, and they asked what kind of vehicle I had, and I had to send them a picture of my driver's license, and I've got that done, and they said go get your vehicle inspected. So I'm doing that today. This is Monday. I haven't even looked at the date today. I think it's, I don't know, maybe the 25th or something. I'll have to check that. But after I get this inspection, assuming it passes, then I have to send them a picture of that inspection sticker. I think they want a picture of the van and a picture of me. They're going to do a background check. What they'll need from me for that, I don't know. I think the driver's license and maybe a social security number would probably do that. And I'm sure I'll have to set up some kind of an account for a 1099 for tax purposes. But anyway, this whole deal has changed my plans. I was going to do that Southwest trip, and I'm going to postpone that again because I want to get my finances back in line, get this thing paid off, or mostly, and stuff like that before I really do anything. But I've already signed up for 3 more months down at that Tampa Bay resort I was at last year, RV resort. And so I'm going to be doing that. And I might even stay down there longer. I don't know. I might even establish Florida residency. There are advantages to that. I'll want to set up a mailbox through probably Good Sam, and to take care of that mail. I don't want to irritate been using my brother's address, and I don't want to irritate him for the rest of my life with dealing with my mail. So that's what's going on right now. Let me go get this vehicle inspection, and I'll let you know what happens after that. I'm here to tire engineers, and of course the wind's blowing. He took my van inside the thing there, so I don't know what all they're inspecting. I thought they would just look at the turn signals and the headlights and the tires and stuff like that. So we'll see what they've got going on. Okay, so I got the inspection off, and I have a form that says the vehicle passed inspection, and that was $19.99. Now, don't ask me why they couldn't make that 20 bucks. I mean, that's just insane. I was gonna get it. You know, the old $19.99 number is not gonna make me say, well, you know, I think I'll get that. It's under 20 bucks. I don't know why some people do things they do. But anyway, the next step is to go get a haircut. So that's where I'm heading right now. And no, it's not an Uber requirement, but it's a me requirement. If I'm going to send my picture to somebody, I won't look all bushy-headed. So I'll check back after the haircut. So this is the Homewood old-timey barbershop. This is just like back in the old days. I'm going to go in there and sit down and try to remember what order I was in. And when I'm called, I'll go get in the chair. Alright, that didn't take long, did it? Now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to have to get used to shifting every time. I've been driving a 5-speed stick for, I don't know, 15 years or something. 2 straight vehicles had 5-speed sticks. That little Ford Focus of mine, and the vehicle I had before that was a Chevy S10. It had a 5-speed. Anyway, enough rambling. Now another step, and this one isn't required either, but I'm going to go fill this gas tank up and go through the car wash. Knock some of the dust off of it. So I'll see you back after that. Well, I fill up with gas and then find out the car wash isn't working. So I guess I don't get that. No big deal. Let's go fill out the rest of this paperwork and see how we get Uber certified. I'll be back after I find out what to do next. So I had to upload to them a picture of that inspection sheet, and I had to give them a selfie of me and a picture of my registration. I'd already sent them a picture of my driver's license. So I'm going to go around this way. And so they took my social security number so that they could run a background check on me. So they have my name and social security number, driver's license, registration, vehicle inspection sheet, and it said that it could take up to a few days. A fellow I work with at Marco's delivering pizza told me it didn't take him but about 2 days. So this is Monday the 26th, by the way, and I'm going to upload this video Tuesday the 27th. I'm going to make the video today, and tomorrow will be my laundry day, and my laundry, the laundromat I go to has real good Wi-Fi. So I'll upload the video there. And that'll be part 1 of this becoming an Uber driver. And I'll get part 2 as soon as I get approved and get ready to go out on my first pickup. So I don't know when that'll be. Probably not too long. I'll talk about the Marco's Pizza gig in part 2 of this video. So I'll see you on the other side of this. Bye-bye.